Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain steps in slicing. Okay, control D gives a duplicate print function. Okay, here this is step included in the slicing. This is slicing. This is a slicing with step. What happens is we will get a output. Here this is the slicing output, that is a substring, and this is the output for steps in slicing. What happens is first it will give a W and it will jump to three steps and gives another W, and it is jump to space, and it given a space, and it will jump to G and it given a G, and there is no other character to jump, so it is given a output as a WWG with the space. So it means that step means that it will jump from one indices to other indices, from 0 to 12, from the left to right. It is given a substring by jumping. I hope you understood. See you in the next session.